So that just gives us into a nice little segue to flip the show to you because you have questions for some experts. So let's go to Ask the Experts.
Hi, Joe and Al. I was wondering, when a husband and wife both retires, does it make sense to continue paying for life insurance?
It depends.
Right.
Right?
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay, should I still have life insurance? I'm retired. I don't know. Do you have a mortgage? What's your fixed income? Do you have a special needs child? Do you have an estate issue? So there's all sorts of things. But I guess in general terms, the likelihood that someone needs life insurance in retirement, I would say it's slim. It's a little, most people buy insurance to protect their income.
Yeah, I would agree with you. I think it's protecting your income. And if you both retire, that means you have enough income to cover it.
But I guess with a blanket statement, I would say in most cases, if you're retired, for you to continue to pay life insurance premiums, likelihood is probably no. Let's go to the email bag, Alan.
I like the idea of tax-free income in a Roth IRA. Is there a way to contribute more than $5,500 into a Roth IRA each year? This is from Paul in Mission Valley. There are additional ways to get money into a Roth, maybe not a contribution, but you can certainly, if you have a 401k that has a Roth option, you can put $18,500 into that Roth IRA. $19,000 in 2019. So that's one way to do it. Another way is you can always convert. You can take money out of your IRA or your 401k and convert it to a Roth IRA. You'll pay taxes on the conversion, but you can do that. So there's other ways, Joe, to get money to the Roth.
Right. Think about it like this. So if you're making a Roth IRA contribution of $5,500, that's already an after-tax contribution. You pay the tax on the dollars. Now you're dropping it into the Roth IRA. That $5,500 is going to grow tax-free for the rest of your life. Now, another way to do that is a conversion, as Al just said. So I'm taking money from my existing retirement account. Let's say it's $10,000, $20,000, $50,000. I'm going to take those dollars out, convert it now into a Roth. I'm going to pay tax on whatever that I convert, but just know now, whatever you convert into that Roth IRA is forever growing tax-free for you. So yes, there's multiple ways to jam a lot of money into a Roth IRA. You have to take a look at what tax bracket that you're in, how much money that you have in a retirement account, what's your overall retirement plan, what fixed income sources that you have, what's your overall legacy goals. So there's a lot more things to consider. I like where your head's at because I like 0% tax rates because it doesn't really get much better than that.